Ninja CREAMi Scoop and Swirl Results. From frozen brick to perfect swirl in under 3 minutes. Ever stare at the freezer wishing you could have real soft serve without the drive-thru guilt? Last week, my kid asked for ice cream at 9 p.m., and I actually said yes because I knew it would take 2 minutes. Sound impossible? Drop night in the comments if late-night cravings own you too. That sticky summer panic when everyone wants dessert now and you're out of the good stuff hits hard. The smell of warm cones and zero options is brutal. What if you could pull a cold, creamy swirl whenever the craving strikes? No guilt, no waiting, no weird aftertaste. Keep watching. Your taste buds are about to feel seen. Say hello to the Ninja CREAMi Scoop and Swirl, the 13-in-1 machine that turns a rock-solid pint into legit soft serve with one pull of the handle. A busy mom I know almost missed her son's birthday because the store was out of ice cream until she remembered the chocolate protein base in the freezer. 2 minutes later, perfect swirls for 8 kids, zero meltdown, hers, or the dessert. Creamify Technology shaves frozen blocks into silky texture. The low-calorie program handles protein-packed bases like a champ, and the 2-in-1 pints let you process half and save the rest. The soft serve handle gives you 3 speeds for thick ribbons or light whips, while dishwasher-safe parts mean cleanup doesn't ruin the vibe. Imagine the cool rush of that first swirl hitting your tongue, exactly like the truck, but you control every gram of sugar. Want my exact 90-calorie chocolate recipe? Comment recipe and I'll reply. Suddenly, dessert feels like magic instead of math. One fitness influencer said, "I'm eating ice cream every night and still hitting my macros. Mind officially blown." A reviewer called the soft serve handle the holy grail feature we've begged for, and thousands of parents agree the lever alone justifies the counter space. Real user, my kids think we own a Dairy Queen now. I've watched grown adults giggle pulling their first perfect swirl. Yes, grown adults. Some worry it's just another unitasker that collects dust. Fair. But when you're dispensing fresh mango sorbet in July or hot chocolate soft serve in December, it earns its spot faster than your blender ever did. See why thousands can't stop talking about this thing? It's not another appliance, it's permission to eat dessert again. Which program are you trying first? Light ice cream, fruit whip, or a full-on indulgence? Tell me below so I know I'm not the only one dangerously enabled. Join the creators, parents, and protein enthusiasts already swirling guilt-free soft serve at home and wondering how they ever lived without it. The Ninja CREAMi Scoop and Swirl isn't going anywhere, but your excuse for drive-thru runs is. If you're ready to make dessert fun, fast, and actually yours, tap the link in the description and bring one home. I'll even send you my starter recipe pack when you grab it through there. See you on the swirl side!